Hello guys, so this is Tech Master. So on this video today, I will show you how you can change your computer language. Let me say you want to change your computer to any kind of language. Let me say you will speak French, or French is your original language, and you want to change your computer to French, or you want to change your computer to English. You are speaking English, you live in French country, or it can be any language at all. So what you need to do to set your computer to your preferable language, what you need to do, first thing, you need to go to settings and click on the window icon here and click on settings. So once you click on settings, you'll see this window that will pop up all the settings of your computer. So what you need to do here is to click on where it says time and language. Click on time and language. So once you click on time and language here, so what you have to do is to click on this section where it says language. So once you click on language here, so here you will find the language that you currently have on your computer. So as you can see, this is the language I have currently on my computer. So is English, and as you can see, English United States. And if you scroll up here, you will see it's a window display language, which is the language that my computer will be showing, which is English. As you can see, everywhere here is English language. So to set your own, let me say you want to change your own, or you want to add a new language on your computer, or your preferable language. To add it, what you need to do, click on this section where you say add language. So once you click on language, it will pop up here, and what you have to do is to search for the language you want to set it to. So you click on the language. Let me say, for example, I want to set my computer to Italian language. I will just click Italy, and it will pop up Italian language. So what I need to do is to click on this one here, and once I click on it, I will click on next. So once I click on next here, it will ask me, it say set as my window display language. So what I need to do, I click here. If I want to set it as default as my preferable language, that is when you will click here. So once you are done with that, you click on install. And what you just have to do, just to be patient, you will see here it will be showing pending, and in a short while you will see it will be showing download. So what you just need to do is to just be patient. As you can see, it's showing that it's installing, and initial analysis, as you can see, is downloading the your language, your preferable language. So all you just need to do is to be patient, and it will be downloaded in just a second. So as you can see, it's almost done. So it's installing as you can see. So once it's done, what you will see, to pop this up, it will ask you if you want to set it as your preferable language. And if you say yes, as you can see, it says settings, window display language. Windows need to sign out in order to fully apply the language to continue. So if I click yes now, my computer will be set to Italian language. So I don't want to do that. I will just click on no, because I want my computer to remain as English. But for you that want to set your language to start for you who want to set your language to that your preferable language, you can just click on this one where it says yes, and your computer will turn off and it will reboot himself. Your computer is going to reboot itself. And once your computer on, you can just enter your password to log into your computer window, and immediately your computer, you will see that your computer will start displaying your preferable language that you selected you want to start using. So that is it, guys. I will just click on no later, and as you can see here, we have now the three language, which is Italy, English, and French. So if I go back again now to my computer, and if I click on this icon here, let me just click like my document, you can see everything is still intact, is English. But if I change it, everything will turn back to Italian language. So that is how you can set up your language on your computer or on your laptop. So it's very simple. I hope that this video really helped you. If it helped you, all I just want you to do is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I will say thank you very much. And again, don't forget again, like, subscribe, leave me any question you want me to make on this my Tech Master channel. I'll say thank you and see you on my next video.